How to use email on an LG phone.
LG phone home screen goes to Apps. Gmail app is selected. Primary email screen is shown with instructions, welcome notice, and first email from Google Community Team.
LG phones use Google's Gmail as the default mail application, as Android users generally have a Gmail address they use on their devices.
Screen shows copy apps and data screen. Bring your data from screen offers choices of a backup from the cloud and an iPhone device.
When you set your phone up after purchasing it, you will be asked to enter a Google account, which will automatically set up the Gmail app for you.
Gmail app opens. Compose button is highlighted. Google sign-in screen shows an email address. Welcome screen with password entry section.
When you open the Gmail app, you will see a Compose button at the bottom right, so you can create and send email.
Arrow points to email from Google Community Team.
Any emails in your inbox will be on the main page for viewing.
Arrow points to search an email.
At the top of the main Gmail page is a search bar you can use to search your entire Gmail account to find a particular email.
Three-line button is highlighted in Gmail app screen.
To access your additional folders, including Sent, Outbox, Trash, Spam, and others, simply tap on the three-line button at the top left of the search bar.
Gmail menu shows primary highlighted. Arrows point to calendar, contacts, and settings, Gmail account email address, and add account.
From this menu, you can also access your Google Calendar and contacts, as well as settings for the Gmail app.
Settings screen shows general settings highlighted. Arrow points to theme, manage notifications, mail swipe actions.
Within the settings are general settings, which allows you to pick the theme, notification settings, swipe actions if you want to enable conversation view, settings specific to the Gmail account you have on the phone, and the option to add other accounts.
Setup email screen. Arrows point to Google, Outlook, Hotmail, and Live, Yahoo, Exchange and Office 360, and other.
When you choose Add Account, you can choose to add another Google account, Outlook, Hotmail, and Live, Yahoo, Exchange, and Office 365, or others. This enables you to check your email in the Gmail app no matter what your email address is. Thank you for choosing LG.
Phone screen shows LG, Life's Good and LG logo, which is a red circle with an L inside a large G and a dot to resemble a face.
We hope you enjoy your phone.
lg.com/us/support.
For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website.
Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, email, phone call.
Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.
This video is provided solely for informational and instructional purposes. This video is not intended to replace the product's owner's manual. For complete information on product use, setup, or assembly, you should consult the owner's manual and any other documents provided with the product. The information contained in this video may contain inaccuracies or typographic errors and is subject to change without notice. LG is not responsible for any direct or indirect damages or injuries that might occur while you are using or relying upon the information provided in this video. Depending upon its model, your produce may differ in appearance from the product shown in the video. Also note that for instructional purposes, the video may depict the device operating faster than in reality. For any further questions concerning your product, please contact lg.com or LG Customer Information Center. This video shall not be copied, distributed, or reproduced, in whole or in part, without the prior written authorization of LG Electronics. Copyright 2021, LG Electronics. All rights reserved. LG is a trademark of LG Electronics Company Limited. Any other company names, product names, and marks are the property of their respective owners.